Greens one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope well. Happy Friday. It's a very, man, it's chilly out here. I think my phone said it was 25 degrees. Ooh. It's clear day. It's nice and sunny, but there is no warmth. What did my phone say? Yeah, it says 25. Which might be wrong, but who knows. Anyway, cold is still cold. At least for us Washingtonians. I know it gets colder in other areas, but you know, you get used to your home. So let's we got a little Fatwood. I'm gonna do a little Fatwood burn today for Fire Up Friday because it's been a couple weeks. I figured why not. Also, we're gonna jump right to this week's channel shout out. Alrighty, let's get this. Let's draw the newest. Draw out this week's channel shout out. Just making sure it's good and mixed up. See if I can get one to pop out. Oh, and there we go. Oh, cool. BC Jerbs. An excellent guy. In fact, I was just thinking about him. Because Ali Carroll is doing a 300 subscriber push for his channel right now. And I got a sticker. Center screen. Right there, Mr. BC Jerbs. Next to over MTO, Mid Tennessee Mountain or Outdoors. Ali Carroll, Speak of the Devil. Michael Berner, Plain Old Chuck. Judy and Spirit, which is a little off, but Urban Outdoors, Nikki St. Laurent. Cool. Of course, his channel will be linked down below. You can give him a check. Very cool guy. Really dig his channel. Now let's get to the burn. Alrighty. Got the manger out. Got my Fatwood shavings made. Decided to do it off camera this time because, well, you guys have seen me scrape Fatwood before, so. Did it with a BPS 3. I'm using some of the Fatwood Dominic Minichetti sent me, so shout out to him. I used the last little bit of these shavings in here because why not? That was that. I got this right here. I think today we're going to use the, I believe I called it the Godzilla. See if we can get a one and done. I haven't been on a good track record with the one and done, so. Nope. Man, so close to. There we go. I do have the Dominator with me. I just decided to mix it up a little bit. Well, alrighty, don't forget to check out the shout out for this week, which I haven't done yet, to be honest, but when I get home I'll do the shout out. So don't forget to check the links in the description. I'm going to go ahead and link Dominic Manichetti as well, because he's just an awesome guy. And I want to say how proud I am of BC Jerbs, Expeditionary Johnny, and Donna from Dream Creations and Adventures. As I said last week, Johnny and Jerbs were doing 22 push-ups a day, every day for 22 days. Just awesome. And then Donna was getting out, walking a mile and a half. Just really cool. So, as always, I want to tip my hat to our fine servicemen and women out there, from recruits to our veterans. And let's not forget, 22 a day. 22 veterans a day take their lives, and it should be 0. 1 is too many. So there'll be some links down in the description, and some phone numbers for the suicide prevention hotline. And yeah, so let's not forget them. And as always, I thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you next time.